To erase objects from photos in Oppo A6 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to open our camera app. Then after we've taken a photo and we want to remove object, for example this bottle of paint right there, we can click on edit button, and then there's a great tool called AI editor. This will allow you to select AI eraser, make sure to agree to anything that will pop up, and then you can start drawing on the object that you want to erase. Let's say that we want to remove this entire bottle. Then after a moment it should be fully selected, and we can wait a few moments until it's fully removed. So as you can see, it was removed. It wasn't perfect, but in less complex stages it should work fine. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.